Triphala is a super good for our health and to boost our immunity. It anybody can take. It's not like that only young people can take. Even from the teenage, for example, particularly they don't need like maybe after 18. No, who need rejuvenation? So after 18, after 20, we need rejuvenation. We need health. We need beauty. We need more antioxidant also. So from the 20, from the 18th age, we can take the Triphala up to the old age. How to take Triphala? It's a very easy, and it's like sometimes you don't need in fact the recommendation. No, in India everybody take Triphala. Why that in India that mortality rate was low? Even we have so much of population, just because we have the good immunity, we all are taking Triphala every day. We all are taking turmeric every day. We Indians don't ask Triphala to take Triphala by a doctor. No, it's in culture. So that's why probably if you come to India, you may notice that most of the Indian ladies have the long hairs, black hairs, because of the amla. Triphala has amla, or maybe separately you can have only amla. So if you wanted to for the growth of hair, for the vision, for the immunity, for the purification of blood, so Triphala and amla is maybe Triphala or amla. You don't need to take both, so because Triphala has amla, so maybe either amla or Triphala, you can choose it. And how much, it depends up to your body weight. It can be up to the 6 gram, maximum up to the 6 gram, up to the 6 to 10 gram maximum. If somebody have maybe more person who wanted to lose weight, again forcing, because obesity is a problem. Skinny person is not a problem exactly, because they can maintain, they can eat, but for the fatty person there is not much of option, so this is a problem. So for them it's important, they can use Triphala. Also people who have PCOD, who have diabetes, for the skin take care, for eczema, psoriasis, also people can have Triphala. So Triphala is not the thing which you need to ask in fact. And I never seen in my 12 years of practice that somebody complained that Triphala, a person is allergic with the Triphala. Triphala treat in fact allergy. So people can take Triphala with honey, with ghee, or with jaggery, or just maybe with lukewarm water or simple water. Best time to use Triphala in the morning or in the evening. For the purpose of the rasayana, for the rejuvenation, maybe in the morning. And if the purpose of the Triphala is also the constipation, somebody have the constipation, indigestion, then maybe in the evening too. So Triphala has one Triphala is made up of actually 3 fruits, that is called amla, haritiki, and bivitiki. So there is one fruit which is haritiki, is good for the constipation. So I think people must go. There is a some kind of we are busy again. We are busy. We all are busy. We don't have time to spend for our body, for to do exercise, meditation. Sometimes we are taking the food. Still we are thinking. So we need a kind of supplement. So supplement is not. I never recommend that chemical supplement. I believe supplement is in your food again. But still, because of the busy schedule, if we don't have, so supplement in Ayurveda is again Triphala is a kind of the best supplement for you.